types of computers. Depending on size, there are four types of computers: mainframe computer, mini computer, microcomputer, and supercomputer. And depending on their use, there are another three types of computers. We will see later. We will see the depending on size, there are four types one by one. First one is mainframe computers. These computers are earliest computers. These computers are very large in size, so they are called as a mainframe computer. These are the first very large in size, so they are called as a mainframe, means bigger in size computers. Their processing speed between 5 to 10 MIPS. MIPS means million instruction per second with a large storage unit. Means the processing speed of this computer is 5 to 10 MIPS with large storage unit, means we can store the large amount of data within this. It can support nearly 100 users in time sharing modes. Means 100 users can use this system at a time. Using the time sharing mode, they can use this system. This system can support for more than 100 users at a time. It can process large amount of data quickly and have tremendous memory. Means this system can process data quickly and it gives the result fast, and it has a tremendous memory. Means we can store the large amount of data within this type of computers. These computers are normally used in a big organizations such as banks, government sectors, departmental stores. Why we use in big organization? Because in big organizations the data of that big organizations are more, so we use this type of computers. Means in that bigger organizations, more than 100 users, they can use the systems at a time and they can store the large amount of data, so they use the mainframe computers. It can support both multi-user and multitasking capabilities. Means this type of computers support for multi-user, means more than 100 users at a time, and multitasking means they can work the more tasks at a time. This capability is possible in this types of computers. For example, IBM 4300 series international business machine. They are using this type of computers for storing the large amount of data. Then second one is mini computers. Mini computers are more powerful than the microcomputers. It supports several users. It cannot support the number of users. It has some limit. That limited users can use this type of computers. It can store tremendous amount of information. These machines are suited for small to medium scale organization to maintain financial accounting, production analysis, and payroll processing. Means small organization, they are using this type of computers, and big organizations, they have a big data, so they are using the mainframe computers. For example, HP 3000, Hewlett Packard. This is one of the example of mini computers. Then microcomputers. These are the smallest type of computers. These computers are usually divided into desktop model and laptop model. We use this desktop and laptop for personal use. This is used for home application as or as personal computers by the business executive, and doctors can use this type of computer for maintaining patient records. Lawyer can use for legal data collection purpose. Chartered accountant for financial auditing, tax calculation. We use at home this type of computers, microcomputers, for our personal work, for storing our personal data. We use laptop or desktop at our home. For example, laptop or PC we use at home for personal use. We all are using at home for personal use this type of computers. Then supercomputers. It processes a scientific and arithmetic operations every second. These are the fastest computers. these type of computers are mainly used in military sectors and weather forecast. These computers are works more very fast, mean it gives the result within a second, means it works faster. So we can use this type of computers in military sectors and weather forecasting. The speed of these computers is usually measured in BIPS, means billion instruction per second. Then types of computers on there, you have seen the types of computers depending on size. Now the types of computers on their use, there are three types of computers on their use: analog computer, digital computer and hybrid computers. First one is analog computer. These computers are working on continuous data which is measured along continuous scale. These are generally used to measure physical quantity, means for example temperature measurement using thermometer. And digital computers works on discrete data. They are commonly used for business application. We are using this type of computer for business purpose. For example, directly counting numbers, letters, special symbol. The businessmen can use the digital type of computers. Then hybrid computer. These computers include the feature of analog computer as well as the digital computers. Analog and hybrid computers perform special tasks and are used for scientific as well as business purpose application. We use this type of computer for scientific purpose and businessmen can use this type of computers. Then what are the difference between the analog and digital computer? Analog computer works on the continuous data. Digital computer works on the discrete data. Accuracy is not significant in analog computer. They produce the high level of accuracy than the analog computer. These computers are less expensive. Analog computers are less expensive and these digital computers are more expensive than the analog computer. Large quantity of data can be stored in analog computer. Compared to analog, it can store less quantity of data. Data is represented as physical quantity. For example, temperature measurement using thermometer. Thermometer means they can use for measure the physical quantity. Data is in digital computer, data is represented in digital and numerical form. For example, calculating tax, calculating the tax. For that purpose we use the digital computers. Then block diagram of computers we will see in next video.